Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you guys have not seen me in a long time, so I don't know why you guys haven't seen me in a, okay, yeah, I do, because I stopped making videos. I don't know why. It got too much as a big deal, so I stopped making videos, which is bad because I love making videos. Do you guys like making videos? Comment down below. Guys, I am sorry for all that I've done because I haven't made a video in a long time, and it's kind of bad because I feel so bad for you guys that you haven't seen me. Massive Rebels, I love you guys, and please comment down below if you guys like me or not. Please don't hate on me because I don't like that, because it's just not nice. So if you guys hate on me, bad idea, because I don't like that. And I will write back in the comments below if I have time. Guys, I'm sorry I don't have a Twitter account because I don't know why I'm stupid like that. But I'm sorry that I haven't made videos in a long time, like 2 years or so. Like, I don't know. I just know it was a long time. Test room. Let's do this, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, my day is horrible, and just ignore the boy in the back, someone in the background. Stop, guys. Shut up. Okay, sorry, guys. He gets a little hyper sometimes. I'm not telling you guys who that is. Because you know what? That's not how we do. So guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video soon. I'm sorry. I love you guys. Bye. Love you guys so much. I see you anytime. Love you guys. Have a good time. Don't forget to be nice. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to be nice. Have a good time.